Hi, this is Julia. Thanks for watching the Benson Medical Upgrade Assurance tutorial. Step 1. Please visit www.bensoncloudservices.com. If you already have an account, please log in. If you're new to Benson Cloud Services, select Sign Up and enter the email you provided with your upgrade assurance purchase. It's important that the email must be the same one that you provided with your purchase. Enter your email, click Send Verification Code, and verify through the email from Microsoft on behalf of Benson Cloud Services. This email will come from msonlineserviceteam@microsoftonline.com. Set a password that meets specific criteria that includes a lowercase letter, uppercase letter, a digit, and a symbol. Step 2. Once you have filled out the required fields and select Create, this will take you to the home screen where you can go to the software downloads on the top right of the screen and select Product to Upgrade. Select Download to initiate the updates. Open the Downloads folder, select the product file that you just downloaded, extract all, and select a destination for the files. It is important to right-click on setup.exe and run as administrator to run the installation process. If prompted to upgrade the software, please select Yes. At this point, please remove any Plus Package USB hardware keys. Select the full installation option and select OK. The install wizard will appear, guiding you through the installation process. After the final installation is complete, you may choose to restart your computer. Thank you for joining me, and if you have any questions, please find our contact information listed on the screen or in the description below.